This is Duke University.
I think Creative Writers Workshop is a place that we hope students will come, young people will come, to explore their writing and their identities as writers for 2 weeks with very little expectation from the adults except the commitment to challenge themselves. We always ask them the first couple of days to do something that takes them outside of their comfort zone. If they've always written fiction, we want them to try their hand at a poem. If they've always hated reading science fiction, we ask them to seek out a peer who is writing science fiction and give them an authentic response. So we're always asking these students to come in and be something more than they've been before as writers and hopefully as young people. And so it really is an invitation to come into a community and build on that and create a group of young writers that, you know, is going to be different from every group that's come before and probably any that will follow.
Just because of when I read the program, the description of it wasn't something where you had multiple things to do all the time. There were times that you were given specifically for writing. And I thought about that and I was thinking, you know, that's great. You know, I'm not going to be super busy doing all these activities that won't further, you know, my goals of becoming a better writer. I'll be writing.
They give you sort of a prompt to write about, and they tell you what you can do better, and you take their advice and you actually apply it right then and there, and you can really see the difference right away.
They give you prompts and they help you practice your writing, but it also gives you time to have new experiences and really play along with those things.
Fundamental part of sort of the objective of CWW is to get each writer to create their own project. And so we might have students writing screenplays, we might have them writing the beginning of a novel, a revision of a novel. They work on their own creative work. In the first few days particularly, and to some degree every single day they're here, we throw inspiration at them. So we throw prompts at them, we throw art at them so they can do ekphrastic writing. We do Zumba classes, we do all sorts of things just to mix up their brain cells so that they're thinking, sort of firing in all kinds of directions. And our hope, and I think the reality is that every student leaves after 2 weeks working on their writing in different ways than they were doing when they first arrived.